Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to change your account name in Hubspot. It's super simple and yeah, let's get right into it. So first, go ahead and sign into your Hubspot account using your email and password. Nothing fancy here, just the usual login. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Click that and then choose Profile and Preferences. Inside this page, you'll land on the basic profile settings. Right near the top, you'll see your name fields. Just update your first name, last name, or both, whatever you need. And now just scroll down a tiny bit and hit the Save button. HubSpot updates it right away. So yeah, that's really all there is. To double check it worked, look back at the top right corner. You should see your updated name showing up in the menu. And that's it. Quick and done. If you're updating your team accounts or cleaning up your workspace, this definitely helps keep everything organized. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the other HubSpot tips whenever you need them.